Hey folks, good afternoon. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy weekend. So today we're doing very simple meal. We're gonna be making black beans. Black beans. It's all vegetarian.
Bush black beans.
Yep. Gonna have this with some rice. So we're gonna start off by sauteing the onions, some celery, some scallions, and pepper, of course. Let's saute that. Hope you guys had a great work week and you're pumped and ready for the weekend. What I was meaning to say, hope you had a productive week. And now that you're ready for the weekend, pop some champagne.
Oh my god. Can we pop some champagne?
No champagne popping today.
Tomorrow?
Oh my gosh. This saute smells really good. Well, all of our food smell really good, so gotta big up your own food. We're gonna add some thyme. Salu.
Thank you.
That oil is angry with me.
Let us know what y'all did for the weekend are going to do. We're going to post this up tonight or tomorrow.
Alright, so we're gonna add our black beans to cook. Guys, by the way, Goya is my favorite brand, but
I like Bush better.
I'm not really a big Bush product user.
Bush is one of the best.
Sure. I love my Goya beans, but I'm sure this is more expensive, but to me Goya probably will taste better. I don't know. We'll see.
Goya runs race out already. I did not have some mass production.
Okay. So we're just gonna have this with some basmati rice. We're not eating any meat today, so there you go. I'm gonna put sazon.
It smells pretty good.
Yeah. Guys, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel. Check out all of our cooking videos. It's fun. We have fun on the videos, so I'm sure you'll enjoy watching us on video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, comment, let us know what you think constructively. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some crushed red pepper seeds.
Kirkland product.
And some black pepper. Salt.
Sea salt.
Having problem opening the salt. Let's see. Okay, I think this is it. Here, open it. Okay, and I'm gonna throw some red wine vinegar in it.
Throw some scotch and whiskey inside.
Because I already threw wine, right?
You should try that one.
Mm-hmm.
I like the red beans too. Red beans taste good. Yeah.
Yeah, red kidney beans and black beans.
Yeah.
Actually, and it's very, very healthy. Lots of protein. Lots of protein, folks. It's a great, great vegetarian meal. If you pair beans with anything, you're gonna be full eating it. Beans fills you up. It's yummy and it fills you up.
Yeah, beans fills, pretty
Yeah.
good.
High in protein, high in everything.
Bless you.
Thank you.
This is a very nice and simple meal recipe. It's really easy to cook. In 5-10 minutes you're done. Yeah. So guys, this beans is already pre-cooked, so it don't have to cook too long. I think it's almost finished up there.
Yep.
We're ready to eat, nice and hot, with some basmati rice, one of my favorite rice. tea or jasmine.
Yep. It's absolutely correct. Okay, there you go. That is our black beans. Check it out. We'll be posting it up on our YouTube channel. Go ahead and like it, listen to the video, watch it, get ideas, comment, subscribe to the channel.
And please don't forget to check out the page also, the Facebook page, and also on Instagram, Cooking with Vish and Nalini. Both of them have the same name. Check it out. See you guys next time.
Thanks guys for watching.
Have a blessed weekend. Love y'all.